Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blue screen critical process died in Windows 11. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to go ahead and go to the advanced startup right here, or the recovery section. Okay, so to go ahead and go to this window, is basically restart your laptop or computer, okay, 3 times. So to restart your computer, when it tries to boot up, go ahead and press the power button again, or unplug it, turn it off, and then do the same thing. Turn it off once your computer tries you to log in, turn it off again. All right. And at the 4th try, you should be able to see this option. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to troubleshoot, okay? And then go ahead over to advanced right here. And then you can go ahead and choose to try, if you have this option, quick machine recovery, okay? Make sure that you plug your computer to the internet. Okay, you go ahead and use a LAN cable or Ethernet cable. But if you don't have this option, just go ahead over to System Restore. Maybe you have created a restore point. Just basically select the restore point from here. Click on next, next, next. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go back to troubleshoot right here. Okay. Now this time, go ahead and reset this PC. Okay. If you have important files, keep My Files right here. Select this option. It will remove apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. Now, if you don't have anything important in your PC, I would highly suggest you to remove everything, okay? It will remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. In other words, it will create a fresh copy of Windows. So click on remove right here, and then just select local reinstall, as you can just update your Windows 11 later, okay? Is to click on local reinstall, and then just click on fully clean the drive, okay? So just click on it. I'm not going to do it because it's going to wipe out my system. But that's just basically it. Just follow simple prompts on what's done. You should be good to go. That's how easy it is to fix blue screen critical process died in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.